Okay, so this is week 2, lesson 5, same exact chart. You'll notice this time we're covering y-intercepts, which is when it's going to be an ordered pair, right? So every answer that you come up with for y-intercepts should be in this format, right? And notice how it tells you to let x equal 0. So you've already got half the answer. The other part of the answer you'll get by literally plugging in 0 for every x that you see. So if you're taking a look at this particular function, if I let this in the numerator, sorry about that, I let that be 0, and I put that over 0 plus 2, that gives me 0 over 2, which just equals 0. This y-intercept is at 0, 0. Okay, so let's take a look at this next one. All right, so when I plug zeros in for every x, and I get 0 squared minus 2 times 0 plus 1 over 0, this right here lets me know that this entire fraction is going to be undefined. What that means as far as your y-intercept is that there isn't one. Okay, this graph is never going to touch or cross the y-axis. Okay, so you're going to just put no y-intercept. All right, let's take a look at this next page, see how it's looking. Oh, I got 2 more. All right, no worries. Here we go. So if I'm trying to find the y-intercept, I let x equal 0. So up top here, I'm going to have 0 minus 3. Down below, I'm going to have 0 plus 0 minus 2, which becomes negative 3 over negative 2, or 3 halves. All right, so 3 halves is a fraction, but no big deal. That is a point on the y-axis. And then this one down here, last one, if I plug in zeros, I get 0 plus 0 minus 6 over 0 minus 1, which becomes negative 6 over negative 1, which literally is just 6. This y-intercept is at 0, 6.